the right buyer, the appeal of a property like this has very little to do with square footage. It's about waking up, having the space to ride, work and relax without ever needing to leave home, and enjoying a lifestyle that's becoming increasingly difficult to find. Behind its double-fronted facade sits a beautifully renovated family home, bringing together character, flexibility and genuine equestrian facilities in one remarkably complete package. At the front of the house are two superb reception rooms, each offering their own character and atmosphere. Inside you find all the qualities you hope to find in a home of this era. High ceilings, original fireplaces, exposed beams and rooms that feel both elegant and comfortable, but it's the kitchen that naturally becomes the heart of daily life. Recently updated with a more contemporary finish, it offers all the functionality expected of a modern home while maintaining the welcoming feel of a country property. Extending into a light and bright breakfast room, it's a space that works equally well for busy mornings and relaxed weekends. Upstairs, the accommodation continues to impress. The bedrooms retain much of their original charm with period fireplaces, built-in storage and lovely views across the village. The layout provides comfortable accommodation for growing families whilst retaining the period details that give the home its distinct identity. One of the property's most valuable additions is its self-contained annex, completely separate from the main home. Whether that's multi-generational living, accommodation for older children, visiting guests, running a business from home, or even a supplementary income stream. The important thing is flexibility. This is a space that can adapt as your circumstances change. For many buyers, this is where the property truly separates itself. The land sits directly behind the house, making it incredibly practical for day-to-day equestrian life. There are paddocks, a manage, quality stabling, feed and tack facilities, and a substantial barn that provides excellent storage, workshop space, or vehicle accommodation. The best equestrian setups are not always the largest, they're the ones that work, and this setup has clearly been designed by people that understand rural life. Sheltered seating areas, established planting and lawned gardens provide plenty of space to relax and entertain while still maintaining a clear connection to the countryside beyond. Whether you're an equestrian buyer looking for multi-generational living or simply searching for a home with space to breathe, Manor Farmhouse deserves serious consideration.